Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
The Paris Agreement says that we should reduce the emission of greenhouse gases to limit the rise in global temperature to 2 degrees Celsius. But do we have the measurement methods needed to achieve this? This is the question posed by researchers at Linköping University in a study published in Environmental Research Letters. Their answer is disheartening. Global warming is a reality, and the rate of increase seems to be increasing. This changes the environmental conditions in many places, forcing large parts of the Earth's population to flee from their homes as a consequence of extreme drought, raised sea levels, or recurrent flooding. Furthermore, it is expected that the situation will only become more serious in the coming years. When a health crisis occurs, society can unite to develop new diagnosis tools rapidly and in this way start the correct treatment. We must be able to measure in several ways, if we are to know whether we are taking the best possible actions, says David Bastviken, professor of environmental sciences at Linköping University. Working with colleagues at the Department of Thematic Studies, Environmental Change, he has led a study that examined 500 scientific articles. They surveyed the methods used to measure the emissions of greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. The results have been published in Environmental Research Letters and reveal urgent and serious challenges. The study has shown that the measurement methods used today work well for research purposes, but are not suitable when designing and evaluating actions to reduce emissions. The researchers believe that this must change if we are to meet the goal of the Paris Agreement. Further, methods to resolve important medium-range landscape effects are also lacking. These are required in addition to small-scale point measurements and measurements of large-scale average values for areas that range from hectares to square kilometers. On a global level, we have clear data for how the amounts of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere have changed over time, and reliable information about emissions from fossil-derived sources. In other words, the fundamental causes of climate change have been identified and are beyond discussion. Many types of emission contribute, and we have no simple methods to map when and where they occur, so it's difficult to take decisions about local initiatives that will in the long run affect the global climate. We need cheap and easy-to-use methods such that we can follow all types of greenhouse gas emission at a local level. Only then will we obtain a comprehensive picture. If we are to reduce emissions, we must also be able to verify that the actions taken work as intended. Methods development takes time. But there is an urgent need for new types of measurement method that can better support societal work to reduce emissions, says David Bastviken. The study has been financed by Formas, the Swedish Research Council, the Swedish Energy Agency and the European Research Council. Make a difference. Sponsored opportunity story source. Materials provided by Linköping University. Original written by Anders Tornholm. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Journal reference: David Bastviken, Julie Wilk, Nguyen Ton Duc, Magnus Galfak, Martin Carlson, Tina Simone Nesset, Tomas Opak, Alex Enrich Prast, Ingrid Sundgren. Critical method needs in measuring greenhouse gas fluxes. Environmental Research Letters, 2022. 17. 10. 104009 doi. 10. 1088-1748 to 9326, AC8FA9. Cite this page. Linköping University. The Paris Agreement. Better measurement methods needed. Critical method needs in measuring greenhouse gas fluxes. Science Daily, the 7th of November 2022. ift.tt/axv5x79. https://ift. axv5x79. Access November 7, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.